In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Sweatcoin app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so to get the right Sweatcoin app on your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and look for this app called Play Store. Go ahead and tap on it. And from here, you should see this search bar on top or the search icon down below. Go ahead and just click on any, then search for the app by word like this. And if I tap on search here, you can see we have the Sweatcoin walking step counter app here. To know that it is the right app, make sure it is from Sweatcoin Limited, and at the time of recording this, it has a star rating of 4.1 with over 2 million reviews, and currently it has over 1 million downloads. Currently the app size is 98 MBs, and this is the current logo as at the time of recording this. With these details, you will know that you have the right app. Go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Sweatcoin app on your smartphone and then install it. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and open it from here or go back to your apps, and you should see your app here. If you tap on it, this is the welcoming interface for the Sweatcoin latest version. You can now go ahead and sign up with Google or log into your account to start using the app. So that's how you can install the right Sweatcoin app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.